Hello, and thank you for watching this tutorial about how to add an image to a Hello Plato course or test. First, you log in at helloplato.io and you will come to your dashboard page. Then you select the course or quiz that you would like to edit and you click on it. Right now, I can't do anything because it's not in edit mode, so I click to put it into edit mode. Now I'm ready to make changes. So what I would like to do is add an image. And you can see here, you're going to be adding a link. So this is an image that's hosted somewhere on the web and has to be public. It can't be a link that is private because your students won't be able to access it. So we need a public image. I'm going to show you an example. Now here you can see that I did a search on Google. This is Google Images, and I decided that I like this image. Notice I chose Creative Commons. These are all free available images that you can use for educational purposes without needing a license. So I want to use this image, but here's an important thing. I don't want to just copy the link that is here, and I'll show you why. Let's go back. If I paste this in, you can see this link has all of this Google stuff in it. That's not going to work. It's going to create a challenge. What you want is the original link. So if you click on this image, it takes you to the page where the original image can be found. And so here I can copy this link and I can paste that in right here, and that's going to work. So when your students take your course or quiz, this image will show up inside of WhatsApp, and they can click and zoom in and pinch and really examine the image. Now I'm going to save, and that image is now a part of my class.